The invention of the typewriter began with the vision of Christopher Latham Sholes in the mid-19th century. Initially, a slow and issues-plagued machine, the first commercially successful typewriter was introduced in 1873, leading to transformational changes in writing and communication. Sholes meticulously tweaked the layout to develop the QWERTY keyboard, minimizing type bar clashes and setting a lasting standard. This innovation democratized writing, leveling the professional playing field for women in clerical roles. Additionally, authors and poets could bring ideas to print faster, leading to a burst in literary productivity. From legal offices to newsrooms, the typewriter transformed workplaces worldwide and became an irreplaceable tool in written communication.